Welcome to Zoomer's RV of Wabash, Indiana. Today we are looking at the new 2019 Jayco Talon 392T. This unit MSRPs at $87,668, but is available at the Zoomer's low price of $54,900. This toy hauler has 2 slides, a garage of 16 feet 9 inches. The whole unit is 42 feet long. It weighs 12,235 pounds, sleeps 12, has a 5.5K Onan generator, fiberglass walls, and an outdoor kitchen with a grill and refrigerator. Now let's look inside. Here's the view when you walk in. We'll start with the kitchen area. Your oven and burners. Your microwave right up above. And cabinetry. There's sink below. And more cabinetry and drawers. Here's your refrigerator. More cabinets. And here's your seating. And the ramp area. It's your TV. With chairs. And you have a stereo with Bluetooth and aux cord capabilities to connect your own devices. Over here is the control panel. Next, we have a separate room, more seating. You can hook your TV up right there. We go up the stairs. Here's a bunk. The bathroom right next door. Shower, the skylight, and your cabinets and drawers. Here's your sink, a mirror cabinet. This actually goes into the bedroom. There's another door you can walk out and go into the bedroom. There's the wardrobe. Some drawers and space for you to store your things. More cabinetry and storage. There's the bed. Inquire about this unit on zoomersrv.com.